If you're studying for the Property and Casualty State Exam, this one's for you. Today's video is all about Commercial General Liability, CGL policy. There are three major coverages that you need to know. Coverage A is BI and PD, bodily injury and property damage. Coverage B is your personal and advertising injury liability, and coverage C is medical payments. So right off the bat, what you want to keep in mind about any CGL questions is that this is liability for a company. So these coverages are never going to cover the business owner. They're never going to cover the employees. This is liability for the business, right? So for customers, if a delivery driver gets injured, if a customer is hurt by a product or a verbal injury from an advertisement. So any questions around who is covered under a CGL policy, keep in mind, this is not workers' compensation. So this is not going to provide protection for employee injuries. This will protect third-party injuries. If the business causes injury to someone else or someone else's property, someone else is at the business owner's place of business and gets hurt, or someone's walking by and gets hurt. Not if the business owner or an employee gets injured. You'll want to know the difference between a product injury versus premises. If someone gets hurt on the premises, it's premises. If a product is sold, that customer sues after using a defective product at home, for example, that would be product. You're going to want to be clear on the difference between personal injury versus bodily injury. Any damage done to a person's body is bodily injury. Personal injury is more of your advertising, right? A company puts out a misleading ad. That is going to be personal injury. Those questions can get you if you're not looking out for it. You're also going to want to know what the definition of an occurrence is, right? Which is that continuous repeated exposure. For example, a customer slips on spilled oil. That would be defined as an occurrence. I'll put that link below if you need any additional help. We have a full online prep booster and any other study resources out on our website if you're looking for that extra help.